Welcome back to the channel. Stephsgotit here with you. And I have another unboxing, but this isn't just an unboxing. It's an unboxing that's going to lead to a 3-month review. And so I thought it would be good to show it to you when I first got it, and then I'll follow up with you in 3 months and let you know how it goes. If you are a diamond painting fan, this is not a diamond painting. I repeat, this is not a diamond painting, but you're welcome to stick around and watch the review anyway. I'd appreciate it. And if you think you'd like to check out, then thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you when it's something you want to see. All right. So first of all, you can see this box is open. I did open it because I was not aware that Amazon was going to ship 2 items in this box, and one of the items is currently being used. It's a magic arm that's holding the camera back there. So I will do a review of that one further down the road, because it means I have to get my other camera, my purse point and shoot camera, and put it on a tripod and use it, which is fine. I just don't want to unhook this because I've got a couple of videos to do, so I'll give you that one later. All right, so this, I have not made my book yet for these sheets, so I have to just go by the copy that I have, unlike my diamond painting book. So this is a large diaper bag backpack. All right, but do I have babies? No. Am I going to give it as a gift? No. Do I need a diaper bag? Heck no. And I ain't trying to get one either. Oh. Ew. Alright, so here we go. I ordered this bag because, one, I like backpack book bags, backpack purses. I don't particularly care for shoulder straps because I think they're falling all off. They're falling all over the place all the time, and I'm often carrying multiple things, and I have a struggle with a strap, and I definitely don't like handles, even though one of my first purse that I made was actually a handle bag, and I'll show that to you some other time. So I saw this on Amazon, and I thought, oh, that's just so cute. I want one. I don't care if it's a diaper bag. I want one. My gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Here we go. Let's see. I'll lay it down where you can see it. All right. This came through Amazon as one of the lightning deals. So I got it at a reduced price, and I got it almost practically the next day. If it wasn't that evening, I would have gotten it the next day. So I got it within like 24 to 36 hours. Again, it's a backpack, and it's a diaper bag backpack, but again, I don't need a diaper bag, but I do need a good purse. And the struggle I've been having with my backpack purses is that all of the weight has been collecting here, and then this kind of sits, even though I don't have any bum, I still have that kind of dip into my lower back, and then it swoops out. I don't have any hips or bum for that matter, but so that bag sits on the bottom of my back, and it makes my back hurt. So I figured this, they were wearing it, and it didn't do that. Plus it has pockets everywhere. So I'm thinking, well, if it's enough pockets to distribute my stuff evenly, then this bag should be a-okay. All right, so let's take a look at it. In front, there's a little over flap. Oh, it's not sewn down, so that's an over flap. You can unzip it and see there's a pocket. And fold that flap back down, and here's another pocket that has double zippers. So this pocket is sitting on a pocket. You can see the zippers are gold. And this is waterproof because this was meant to hold a bottle. And look at that, guys. If you put a small enough cup in there, you could keep it cold. I could keep a can of soda or a bottle of water in there and keep it cold. Or my little coconut water boxes. Yeah. So that's cool. It'll probably hold makeup, but you know. And then at the top, you can see you lift up this flap over that and you get another zipper and another pocket. One zipper. And then this is the company, Makolu Diaper Bag. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation or if I'm destroying it, but that's what we're going with today. Diaper bag. Do you see that? It says life more love. I think it's supposed to be live more love. I don't know. Anyway, and here are the two handles on top. So if you want to carry it by the, or pick it up, you can. And then on here, you should have two. I think I'm missing part. There's supposed to be two of these. Oh, no, maybe this is to do this. There you go. Okay, I'll tell you about the other part I'm talking about later. So you can snap that together, which makes it extra secure in your bag being unzipped. There is a hard metal frame in here, so you get that hard metal. It's not thick though, so it shouldn't be a problem. Let's do the back. On the back, you have your straps. These are padded, and then you have your adjustables. And look at that. There's a half moon type zipper on the back. And you unzip that, and it takes you to the inside of the bag. Yep, takes you to the inside of the bag. So that's cool. You don't have to open the whole bag, or you can have this on your back and reach your hand in there and grab whatever it is that you need. My purse I have now is like that too. It has, but the zipper is on the side, so I like that feature. Here's what I was talking about. You have two of these. What are these, you say? These are used for shopping carts. So you can hang this bag on your shopping cart so that you've got the baby in the seat or in the little toddler area in the front. And then you can hang this on the handle, so when you need to grab a bottle or a diaper wipe, or in my case, my phone or my makeup, I can get there quickly. So let's open her up. Again, this is metal, so you get a nice square or rectangle shape. You can see the inside is nice and clear. It's a cream color. Oh, sorry about that. Here's a little hook to put your keys on. It is not stretchy. Let's see what we got in here. Look how deep that is. I can get all the way up past my elbows in this bag. And I'm 5'7", so I don't have short arms. You see this big hand. So there's a pocket here on the side. It doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. There's a pocket here on this side. Also, it does not go all the way to the bottom. Two rubbered slip pockets here, and then one zippered pocket here, and it's about this deep. Okay, this deep. Yeah, there you go, this deep. And I mean, look at how deep that is. Can you see? This is my arm. It goes all the way in, guys. And how tall is it? Let's see. Let's measure it. Let's go from 20. So from 20 inches to 36 inches is 16 inches. So it's about 16 inches tall. I mean, look at that. Oh, I wish the camera could have a better view. Sorry. This is my first non-DP video, so I wasn't aware it was going to do that. And oh, look on the side, you have a pocket. And even though it's a pleated pocket, it has stretch on each side. And this, I thought it was cool. This, you gotta see this. This is a charging port, ladies and gentlemen. A charging port right there on the bag. That is cool. I have to, oh, And here's a zipper right behind it. You unzip that and voila. I have to read it to figure out, there it is, to figure out how you charge it. If you probably plug it into something and charge it. So that's pretty cool. So that little cord comes out of here, and this doesn't open, it just stays right there on the bag, and that cord sits in that little hole right there, so you don't have to worry about it falling out. Isn't that cool? Man. Alright, so there you go. This is my new, so we're gonna rock this baby just the way it is. Alright, let me tell you a little about it. I'm gonna set it right here flat so you can keep an eye on it. It's a large diaper bag backpack. Again, it's by Mokulo or Mokalo, Mokaloo. It's an anti-wear, anti-water maternity. Oh no, that just gives you a bunch of stuff you could use it for. Now, some of the specifics, the dimensions of the bag. It's 11 by 81 by 7.8 inches, 8 in width by 16.5 inches high. So I was right, about 16 inches. That's actually 16 and a half inches. It has a 25 liter volume. It weighs 1.65 pounds. It has 13 internal and external pockets for organization and to hold essentials. It's a lightweight backpack with a USB charging port. It's anti-friction, Oxford fabric, weighs less than 2 pounds. Okay, your built-in charger port and power cord to help recharge your cell phones conveniently on the go. I'm reading this because I want to give you all the dimensions correctly. It's spacious. Let's see. It's well-layered compartments, keep things separate. It has 2 insulated pockets for 4 to 9 ounce bottles, and it has a durable water deform tear resistance. Ooh. So it's made of durable waterproof fabric instead of your like twill polyester baby bags. There's no fraying of the stitches, and the zippers are strong. It's reinforced with shoulder straps. In the shoulder straps is reinforced. And there's a waterproof coating outside and 2 waterproof compartments for wet towels. Okay? Or, you know, wet whatever, swimsuit or something. I don't know. Again, it's a backpack. See, and they even say more than a diaper bag. Can be used as a backpack, a handbag, and elegant and suitable for many occasions like shopping, traveling, etc. It's practical, it's unisex design, makes this diaper bag backpack perfect for travel with your boys and girls. All right, so, and I did mention to you it has the extra stroller straps to hook it up. The breathable wide straps, as you can see on the back, it has that breathable fabric on the back of the straps, and they're foamy, so there's some kind of cushioning in there. You can find all of this information on Amazon, and I of course will leave the link in the description bar below as to where you can find this, and you can read the rest of those directions or dimensions for yourself. And it says that it can be used as a handbag. So we're gonna rock this mama as a handbag or backpack. Backpack handbag. The storage capacity got a 4.9, the durability got a 4.7, and the lightweight got a 4.7. To me, those are pretty good numbers. So I decided to give it a shot. Now, it didn't hurt that I got it on the lightning deal. The regular price of this bag, they claim, was $56.87, but through this company, you can get the bag for $29.88. But if you did the lightning deal, which I had that day, I got $9.59 off. So basically, I got the bag for around 20 bucks, which is the only reason I ordered it, because I just paid $30 for my other backpack book bag at Burlington's, but I'm not really happy with that one, so I decided to give it a shot. And I hope I didn't read that too fast for you. Force of habit from my mom, talk fast. And I want to get it done, and there's a little bit of a nervous pitter-patter going on there also. I purchased this on April the 10th. It was delivered on Thursday, April the 11th. Again, it was that big part of that lightning deal and my Amazon Prime membership. It was to be shipped the very next day, and it pretty much was. All right. So I will see you back here April, May, June, July. I will see you back here on August the 1st. You'll have it in July. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you can take the time to stop by, I can take the time to make sure you have something to watch, right? Y'all have a great day. And remember, if you're having a great day, help someone else have a great day. Love and shimmies.